black and orange that indicate the brand Oukitel. So it has a bubble wrap. Then as you could see, it has already sealed Oukitel W60 with 512 RAM and 36 gig RAM. See, already sealed, but I will make it sure to it is legit. I'll open it. I think it's that's the box. Wow. I could say this is a legit store. So as you can see, there's the phone. Inside the box was the phone. I chose yellow. Wow, big phone. Then there's a documentation slip, charging, wall charging, then the USB cable. But I will make it sure. I will make it open first if it is functioning. There's the sticker one showing the IMEI of the phone. Well, wait. See. Wow, it is legit. See, it's opening. It's booting now. Showing Android and the logo Oukitel. Oukitel.com. I will sit up first. United States. Skip the set up online, continue. I will set that date and time. 10:29. Okay, next. Set password. Then next.